Holy shit, this looks awesome.
It's fake. It's just stupid.
Yeah, but it's when it's too fake, it's not fun. Yeah, baby, let's get in there. No subtitles, no problem. Repairing washing machines is a universal language. It's like a smile. Training students? Like it's a whole profession to repair washing machines? Like it's a major? Team Pulsator? Are they the favorites? I'm rooting for Team Pulsator. I wager 5 gift subs on Team Pulsator winning. I think the Hunarbaz is going to Team Pulsator this year. Thanks for the reset, barter. No, fuck Team Tumblr. Who? Where's Team Pulsator again? Which? Shit, I wasn't paying attention. Jesus, this looks intense. I thought it'd be easy. How much troubleshooting can there be for a washing machine? Just like hit it on the side or something.
35 मिनट्स के कंपटीशन में टीम्स को वक्त के साथ-साथ रेस लगानी है अपने दिमाग और हुनर दोनों के साथ.
The editing in this is like Hell's Kitchen style. This is impressive. Thanks to the reset, Boomer.
सारी टीम्स ने शुरुआत तो
Eventually sticky.
उन्होंने पावर सप्लाई जांचना शुरू किया है जिसके लिए इस्तेमाल में
Oh, they only have 35 minutes. Team Pulsator works best under pressure anyway. Wait, this isn't fair. They all have a different washing machine model.
Watch some Hell's Kitchen or Hotel Hell.
Hotel Hell's super boring. Hell's Kitchen's alright though.
पावर सप्लाई में कोई प्रॉब्लम है जिसको लेकर सारी टीम्स जूझ रही हैं.
This is that could put a team at a huge advantage and disadvantage. Like, let's say someone gets like an archaic washing machine model, and there's only a few moving parts. You can easily fix it before someone who gets like the fucking Tesla washing machine. Why wouldn't they have just the same model for all 4 teams?
अभी शुरुआती दौर है और अभी से एजिटेटर टीम आगे
Thanks to the Prime Squad.
उन्होंने अपना पहला फॉल्ट ढूंढ लिया है यानी पावर सप्लाई
Where are my pulsators at?
सोल्डरिंग कर रहे हैं.
Thanks to the Prime George. Oh, there's a team spinner. Alright, boo. Oh, they're getting critiqued hard.
सोल्डरिंग करने का भी तरीका होता है. अगर सोल्डरिंग सही है तो चमकता है. देखें कौन सी टीम लास्ट में चमकेगी.
Show me Pulsator. I want to see their progress. They probably already built like a full functioning airplane or something out of a washing machine.
वैसे ये टास्क वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का बढ़िया एग्जांपल है. अब तक पुरुषों
Thanks to the Prime Maz.
जाने वाले इस क्षेत्र में महिलाएं भी अपना हुनर दिखा रही हैं. श्रम और रोजगार मंत्रालय द्वारा चलाए गए RBTI फॉर वुमेन आज महिलाओं को सशक्त बनाने में
I didn't get a chance to read it.
रहा है और हमारी ये हुनरबाज इसका उदाहरण है.
Come on, ladies, for the Hunarbaz. We gotta win this. Oh, boo. Tumblr sucks. It's a horrible website.
वॉशिंग मशीन अभी नहीं चल रहा है. उसकी टीम टम्बलर ने पहला डिफेक्ट आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है, फिक्स भी कर दिया है.
Oh god, they've already fixed the defect?
दूसरा डिफेक्ट कहां पे हो सकता है?
पहला फॉल्ट सभी टीम्स ने ढूंढ लिया है और रेक्टिफाई
Jesus
करने
Christ,
के
this
बाद
is
भी मशीन
breakneck
अभी
pace.
नहीं चल रही है. इसलिए अब सभी टीम्स दूसरा फॉल्ट ढूंढने में जुट गई हैं.
This is intense. Jesus. Could this be the next big sport? The new baseball?
टीम एजिटेटर ने दूसरा डिफेक्ट भी सॉल्व कर लिया है, फिर भी उनका मशीन अभी चालू नहीं हो रहा है.
It's serious then.
जद्दोजहद में लगे हुए हैं.
It was a good thing they found that defect. Otherwise, the entire place could have gone up in flames. That's pretty impressive from Team Agitator, I'm not gonna lie, but I still have faith in my Team Pulsator. We have still not even seen Team Pulsator.
Fixing the second fault. Okay. 20 मिनट का समय हमारा पूरा हो चुका है और अब आपके पास बचते हैं
favorite way to consume souls? Through their parents' credit card. Where's my team Pulsator at? That's not fair. They're not getting any time in the spotlight.
सभी टीम्स में कांटे की टक्कर चल रही है। अभी ये कहना मुश्किल है कि कौन आगे है और कौन पीछे।
Third fault we found out. हाँ, where is the fault?
Jesus, a third defect? God. Just scrap the washing machine at this point. It's not even worth fixing. Just repurpose it.
So wash is working now. So third is
Yeah, fuck yeah.
fault. Okay. Just go.
Pulsator's on their third defect.
टीम पल्सेटर, एजिटेटर और टम्बलर ने जहां तेजी से आगे बढ़ते हुए अपना तीसरा फॉल्ट ढूंढकर उसे रेक्टिफाई करना शुरू कर दिया है।
Oh, they
वहीं
done?
टीम स्पिनर अभी भी स्पिन कर रही है क्योंकि वो तीसरा फॉल्ट नहीं ढूंढ पाई है।
Second problem solved. Third problem पता चला? नहीं पता चला. Washing machine.
God, this is intense. Jesus.
Not yet. Okay.
The atmosphere in the room is like a funeral. Let's get some energy in the crowd.
Defects के बाद defects को देखकर थोड़ा
God, it's not golf, it's extreme washing machine repair. Come on, crowd, get in there. Cheer on Team Pulsator.
क्या washing machine शुरू हो पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा?
Like, the editing is super fast paced with like intense music. But the crowd is barely even lucid right now. They're all falling asleep.
टीम ने सारे डिफेक्ट्स न सिर्फ आइडेंटिफाई कर लिए पर उन्हें फिक्स भी कर लिया है और ये सब कुछ उन्होंने किया है सिर्फ 31 मिनट्स में.
Team Pulsator, baby! Hooner Boz is coming home tonight. We got it. And my $25 is hopefully safe.
Fix it. Ready? Great. Spinner team ने भी कंप्लीट कर लिया और टम्बलर
Yeah, second place, whatever, losers. Team Pulsator's been done for the last 10 minutes.
और टम्बलर ने कंप्लीट कर लिया है टास्क, वो भी समय से पहले।
It's a washing machine repair.
चलिए
Can't you
टीम
tell?
एजिटेटर
And there is no more Billy the Exterminator Raider. Sorry, I didn't see that.
काउंटडाउन शुरू करते हैं 10
Ooh, is Team Agitator not even gonna finish? Oh no! They didn't defuse the bomb in time.
एजिटेटर टीम योर टाइम इज अप.
Damn. There's so many wires in there. I really think it's just the model that fucked them.
एजिटेटर अपने टास्क को अंजाम तक नहीं पहुंचा पाए, वो टास्क पूरा नहीं कर पाए, इसलिए डिस्क्वालीफाई किए जा रहे हैं।
Team Pulsator gonna lose.
Are your eyes clues, Umbra? They won. They were the first ones, baby.
टीम्स ने फॉल्ट्स को सही तरीके से
The Hooner Boz
rectify किया है कि
champions.
नहीं, इसका भी बारीकी से परीक्षण कर रहे हैं।
Holy shit.
तो क्या हम तैयार हैं हमारे जजमेंट्स के साथ? तैयार हैं?
Pulsator by a
कितने
landslide.
आपको ये judge करने में
Team
मिला,
Pulsator.
judge करने में?
All of them were so very well doing. They are away just by 1 or 2 marks. And also at the end, or the two teams were doing so very well. The one team missed the second position only because they took a little more time to fit back the equipments. Otherwise, it was very interesting. I have all my appreciation for all the 4 teams.
But Team Pulsator
और
wins,
जानते हैं
is what you're
कौन
telling me.
है इस competition का सबसे बड़ा हुनरबाज?
The winning team of the skill competition, Pulsators.
Oh, baby! I am so good at choosing the winner of these competitions. It doesn't matter the sport. Whether it be extreme premature ejaculation, extreme bowling, extreme fucking washing machine repair, I don't care. I am always right with my prediction. I know what to look for in champions. I need only a glance. That's all it takes. Fuck yeah. Hooner Boz. We've done it, baby. It's a cool little theme song. They need that on the Wii, like, instead of Wii bowling, let's get some Wii Hooner Boz.